Alright guys, super special day. Woke up to 5 inches of snow, power is out at the house, which means there's nothing else to do. That means hook up the boat. We are out here on Smith Mountain Lake post snow. It just stopped about 20 minutes ago. I've been running around like a crazy guy. Trees down in the road, trying to get Will's boat down. They don't have power, 9,000 people without power right now. So my wife was cool enough to let me go, knowing that it's just safe enough. I got my trusty shovel and we are gonna clean out the ramp right here at Parkway. And we are gonna run around and see what we can make happen. Fishing in snow is actually a super good time to get some big bites. So pressure's low, it's warming up, it's like 36 degrees already. So we're gonna clear this ramp off and try to go smash a few. All right guys, I'm super pumped for today. Got the GoPro mount finally mounted in the boat so we can make some content for you guys here. I'm in a sweatshirt now. I'm probably gonna get too hot in these bibs. The sun's about to come out, so hopefully we didn't miss the window and still are able to catch a few, but we're throwing moving baits. We're gonna cover a lot of water and hopefully 3 inches of rain, 5 inches of snow in 12 hours is enough to get these fish moving around and shaking up. So let's go. An absolute toad, guys. Second cast. Holy hell! That right there's enough to make Smith Mountain internet famous. Oh my god. Second cast. Holy hell. Look at this fish, guys. Oh my god. Let's smash him. Another good one, guys. We haven't even started the big motor. Nowhere near as big, but still another keeper. I know these waves seem like a lot, you guys can hear me, but it's primo conditions to get out here and chuck around a crankbait or a jerkbait, a rig, big swim bait, stuff like that. Big winter winds that we get. Alright, made a little adjustment, obviously not a big one. Measure it and see if it'll keep, see what we can put together, but think they're a little bit deeper even though the water's coming up. The Shad wrap. Super fat. 529 is our kicker fish. So let's get the rest of these weighed and see what we got. If you guys can see that, but I will tell you, there was a tournament yesterday in third place at 10 pounds, so not terrible, not great. Hopefully, like I said, hopefully this winter weather is going to start kicking things around and start making these fish more aggressive and start putting their feet back on and eating like they should be. So let's get some pics of the big one and we'll put her on the trailer. All right, guys, one last look at this nice fish. 526, beautiful Smith Mountain Lake largemouth.